In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. We'll walk through the exact path inside Zoho Books to create a secure connection to your Shopify store, and I'll add tips so you know what each choice means and why it matters. Start in your browser by heading to books.zoho.com. Make sure you're in the correct Zoho Books organization and that you have the permissions to create integrations. It helps to pause here and confirm you're in the right company file, especially if you manage multiple brands. Once Zoho Books loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens the settings area, which is where Zoho keeps all the back-end controls that affect how your account talks to other apps. Inside settings, select connections. This is the hub for integrations that use secure tokens. It lets you create, manage, and, if needed, revoke access without touching your accounting data directly. Next, choose New Connection. You're starting a fresh link, and Zoho will guide you through a short setup flow so the connection is named correctly and can be found later. Click into the search bar that appears. This narrows the catalog of available services, which is faster than browsing a long list. Type Shopify in the search field. You should see Shopify show up as an available service. If it doesn't appear, double-check your spelling and make sure you're on a supported data center for your account. With Shopify selected, you'll be prompted to enter a connection name. Use something descriptive, like a combination of your store name and environment, so teammates immediately know what it is. Clear names reduce confusion if you ever add a second store. Below that, enter a connection link name. Think of this as a unique identifier used by Zoho behind the scenes. Keep it short, use only letters, numbers, or underscores, and avoid spaces. Because this value is often referenced by automations, pick a stable name you won't need to change later. When everything looks good, click Create and Connect. Zoho Books will set up the connection and, if required, open the Shopify authorization screen so you can grant access to the correct store. Follow any prompts to finish. When it's done, you'll be returned to Zoho Books, where the connection will appear in your connections list as active. That's it. You've created the secure link between Zoho Books and Shopify, setting the foundation for smooth data flow and simpler bookkeeping.